Friends, open PicsArt app, tap on plus icon, tap on edit photo and select the background. Friends, this is the photo we are going to edit today. First step, go to add photo and select the PNGs one by one. Friends, these are the PNGs. First of all, I am going to arrange this bottle PNG here. And you have to tap on layer, tap on duplicate, arrange another PNG in this portion here. Now tap on this PNG and arrange in this portion, vertical portion. Now tap on blend and you have to tap on overlay and select this light PNG. You have to tap on blend and you have to make it screen, arrange one here, tap on duplicate, arrange another one here. Now I have to select this grass PNG and arrange one in this portion here, tap on duplicate and arrange another one in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, you have to add the sky PNG and birds PNG. Then these are the two PNGs. First I am going to arrange the sky in this portion here like this. Tap on eraser, tap on invert, now tap on restore and you have to draw on the top of the portion like this. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark and arrange these birds in this portion here. It is perfect. Now decrease this sky PNG opacity a little down. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to add photo and select the Instagram profile screenshot. Now tap on crop and crop this portion. Tap on tick. Now tap on blend and you have to make it multiple and you have to arrange in this portion perfectly. It is perfect. Now tap on tick mark. The next step, go to add photo and select the model image. This is shadow PNG and this is the model image. You have to arrange this model perfectly in the center like this. Now tap on the shadow and bring the shadow below this model image like this. It's perfect. Now tap on layer, tap on move down. It is perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, now you have to save this image in PicsArt and take this image to the Snapseed app. See you there. Friends, open Snapseed, tap on this plus icon and add photo. Friends, the first step, tap on pencil and you have to tap on vignette. Now tap on tick. The next step, tap on pencil and you have to go to text and you have to write Instagram model bunny and you have to write your name. Change below here or you can write whatever you want like this. Now tap on tick. The next step, tap on pencil and you have to go to tune image, give little brightness, little contrast, saturation little bit, ambience little bit, decrease little highlights, decrease little shadow and warmth little bit. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special tutorial is completed. This is before and this is the final output. Now tap on save. See you in next video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.